I had knowledge of YouTube. I knew how to make videos. I knew how to make content. I knew how to trade. I knew about Forex. I knew about crypto. I knew about this stuff since like 2016, guys. I started trading. Guys, I want to mention this, and it's so random, but there's a waffle stand like under the Lab Proud MRT, and every time I pass it, it smells so good. Like, I'm gonna probably go get a waffle over there next time I go by. But I just had to say that, man. It smells so good every time I pass it. But right now I'm at the Lab Proud MRT, headed to, I'm taking the yellow line. This is my first time taking the yellow line. I'm going to Lab Proud 71. I'm going to this cafe just to catch a vibe. I always say catch a vibe, but that's all I'm trying to do. Somebody asked me to make a video about how to make income while living abroad and things like that. So I'm gonna give you guys some tips. I'm gonna tell you what I do personally. These tips are gonna be tips that you can use even if you don't want to live abroad and you just want extra money. You know what I mean? It's 2024, guys, so plenty ways to make money. That's another thing that I want to do with this channel, is inspire and let you guys know that. You know, it's ways, man. A lot of ways to make it out. So that's what I'm gonna be showing you guys today, or that's what I'm gonna be talking about today. So right now we are currently on Soy 71. Lab Proud, headed to this cafe. I seen the cafe online and I just wanted to check it out. You know, I love this area, man. I'm so happy. Honestly, I didn't really like the Andu area. I gotta be honest with y'all. I like it over here much better. Before we get to this cafe, I'm gonna be honest, but we gonna get there eventually. And I can't wait to actually check out this area some more. I'm near Chok Chai C, which is Chok Chai 4, and I know it's a lot of good places to eat over here. This area, Chok Chai C, is known for like its food. So it's a very local area known for its good food, good street food, a lot of nice little restaurants too. I like to call them garage restaurants. It's not in the garage, but y'all know what I mean, how the restaurants that are like in that small, the doors open and close, like you can close them. And it looks like how a garage would look like if you opened it up and they just have a restaurant in there. So that's what it looks like to me. It's not a bad thing, that's just how I describe it. So before I really dive deep into talking about how to earn income overseas or how to earn income online and things like that, let's check out this cafe and let's enjoy the area, man. I ordered their signature tea, and it's named after the restaurant, so we're gonna try it and see what it tastes like. It's pretty good, guys. It has coffee and like kiwi in it. It's pretty good. And I just wait till the food came. I ordered I got a ham and cheese sandwich and a side of fries. And I believe all this is gonna come up to about 355 baht, which I think is like $10.50, something around there. And I'll put the exact calculation because I know I've been slipping on that recently. So I'll put the exact calculation for y'all, don't worry. Here we go, guys, it's looking pretty good. Let's see, got a ham and cheese sandwich. Ham coming out of the sandwich. I ordered some fries too. Gotta check up on that. This is it. But I need my fries. Asian girls love them day pictures. They got my man's back here. I got my man's back here turned into a personal photographer. I'm not gonna lie, when I was out at the mall with that girl, she was having me take pictures too, so I guess I was a personal photographer that day as well. But anyways, yeah, so my fries did come. Everywhere that I had fries, they've been pretty good, I'm gonna be honest. That's why I always order it, because normally the fries are pretty good here, so I had to put it in with the fries. Alright guys, that was a good little brunch. And this is a quiet street right here. This may be a residential. I think it was 360. Let me check real quick actually. I think they charged me extra because I use a card. 365 baht. I'll calculate that later. Now let's talk about money, guys. So the things that I do are YouTube. Main things are YouTube and Forex. Let's start off with YouTube, right? YouTube, to me, if you ask me personally, I think these are the best two ways because they both offer you the most freedom and flexibility. I've been doing YouTube in some capacity since I was 14 years old, guys. I'm 26 currently, and I'll let you guys know, like, currently I'm not even monetized as of the recording of this video. I'm not even monetized on YouTube because I hadn't uploaded in so long that this road I may need to put my microphone on. Hold up. Like I was saying, I'm not even monetized currently on YouTube. That's because when you don't upload for 6 months, 6+ months, YouTube will, in order to, what they say, maintain the quality of their partners, they'll take away monetization just to maintain the quality of their partners, you know what I'm saying? So I'm not even monetized on YouTube right now, but by the end of this week, I'll most likely be monetized. And that's because of y'all. Y'all been going crazy. Y'all been showing support. But I wasn't even worried about that, you know. Like I said, I've been doing YouTube since I was 14 years old to some capacity. I've had gaming channels, I've had hair channels, and now I have a vlogging channel. And the hair channel and the vlogging channel is the same channel, but I just switched content. Now, the benefits of YouTube is that once you do it full time, you're your own boss. You work for yourself. You just have to keep up that consistency. But it is hard work, guys. I'm not saying that none of this is gonna be easy, but what I'm saying is, if you can make at least $1,000, like monthly expenses could literally be $1,000, $1,200 a month, guys. And it's fairly easy, especially with the next thing that I'm about to tell you guys. But even with YouTube, guys, you can easily make $500, $1,000 on YouTube. It's not that hard. YouTube is one of my favorite methods just because you get to reach people, you get to be creative, make content, man. YouTube right now, for me, is one way. And the second way is trading Forex. If you ask me personally, I think Forex is probably the best ways to make money online. And now trading is not gonna be easy. It's not easy to get into. You know, I have profit posts, I have screenshots of me making $5,000 in a day, $1,000 a day, whatever, guys. Like, I'm not stressed, I'm not worried about anything. And alongside of having that income as well, Obviously, you want to have money saved up just for you never know what could happen. You know, some months you may have a bad month, which is okay. And you may have great months, you know. But as long as you have that savings, then you should be good. Forex is hard to get into. You're gonna have to be okay with losing money at the start. And not even just losing money, but you're gonna have to be okay in investing in yourself. Meaning, you're gonna have to spend money on getting the education. So whether that be getting a mentor, putting money in your broker account, losing money in your broker account, you have to be okay with that. And that goes for anything that deals with, you know, entrepreneurship and just learning a certain craft. Earning money online, everybody should be doing it, because as you see what's going on in the West right now, people are getting laid off or their jobs. Businesses are going bankrupt. They're closing down. Things are just getting more unstable. And at one point, people thought that, you know, oh, these social media influencers, all these people, they're gonna, you know, it's not gonna last forever. But guys, the internet is only gonna get bigger. And as long as the internet gets bigger, the window of opportunity keeps on opening up and opening up. It's never too late. It's never too late to start anything. It's never too late to start YouTube. It's never too late to start earning money online. It's never too late to start learning a craft. And it doesn't have an age limit either, guys. So no matter how old you are, you can make money, whether you're 12 years old or 70 years old, 50 years old, you know what I mean? Is ways. You just have to expand your mind. And I think the state of the economy right now is forcing people to expand their minds, because things are getting tough. They're starting to see that the regular 9 to 5 is not as stable as they once thought. And me, the way I set up my life, I already knew that a regular 9 to 5 is not something that I was really interested in. Even before I knew I wanted to live overseas or live abroad, I wasn't even thinking about doing this. But just this is the way my life path was set up. So all the things, all the skills that I learned, all my interests that I had, it led me to this point to be able to make that easy transition, because I already had the skills. I already had skills with editing. I had knowledge of YouTube. I knew how to make videos. I knew how to make content. I knew how to trade. I knew about Forex. I knew about crypto. I knew about this stuff since like 2016, guys. I started trading in 2016. I probably started doing YouTube, or like really getting into YouTube, at probably like 2014. Even earlier than that, really. I knew about YouTube for a long time, since probably like 2010, 2011. But I started trading. 2016 is when I first got my mentorship with Q Banks. I bought his course for $500. And now I am where I am today. And now it's even easier, because they have what they call prop firms, where you can buy, let's say, $1,000 account. You can buy a $1,000 account for $500, and you'll have to complete a challenge, reach a certain profit goal within a certain amount of time, within a certain amount of parameters, and you'll get awarded a $100,000 account to trade with. And guys, with that $100,000 account, you could easily make anywhere between $5,000 to $20,000 a month, guys. Imagine you even making $5,000 a month living in Southeast Asia. Like, Thailand isn't the only place, but I would say, as far as visas go and long-term visa-like options, I would probably say Thailand, Philippines, and Malaysia are probably some of the best choices. But you know, it's people in Vietnam, it's people obviously in Bali, it's people everywhere, man. But $5,000 a month easily, $10,000 a month easily, living in Thailand, guys. I can do that with ease. I can make YouTube videos at this point in my sleep, guys. This stuff is almost like second nature to me at this point. That's why I wasn't scared. I wasn't nervous. I wasn't worried about income, really, because I already knew I had the tools, I had the skill sets, I had the knowledge of ways to make money. Money was the least of the worries when coming out here. One of the biggest hurdles you're gonna face is just finding that long-term visa option. But once you figure that out, guys, earning money is super easy. We're going the way of online. We're going digital. You can no longer be thinking about, oh, I have my stable job, because as you can see, having a corporate job or whatever, that's no more stable than online, doing something online, whether it be sales, digital marketing, graphic design, Forex, social media influencer, whatever. Like having that corporate job is if anything, investing all that time in yourself is more beneficial, because you can always transition to something else. If one thing stops working, you have the skill set to transition what you already leveraged into something else. Time to start investing in yourself. Even if you still want to work your corporate job, you should be doing something on the side anyways. And like I said, this is advice for people that don't even want to live overseas or live abroad, but just need that extra income. You just got to do it. You just got to start. That's really what you just got to do. You just got to start, guys. There's no waiting. There's no perfect time. There's no, sorry, cop. There's no perfect time. You just got to start, guys. But yeah, that's how I make my money. That's what I do. Hopefully this inspires you guys. But yeah, I think that's all I got for y'all today. Hopefully you enjoyed. Let's get it.
Don't you love it when the rest come in? Bang it back just to spend it again. Falling so hard, I know that it is impressive. Too much on me, it's clear that I'm flexing. Drink so purple, look like it from Texas.